Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. And today's topic, basic definitions that will be useful in pharmaceutical technology as well as in dispensing pharmacy. Absorbent. Absorbent means having the ability to absorb or able to soak up liquid easily. Additives. Additives are the substances that are used in the formulation other than the active medicament. Additives does not show any pharmacological actions. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that can produce free radicals, thereby leading to chain reactions that may damage the cells of organisms. Antioxidants are added to formulation to prevent the oxidative degradation of the drug. Antifoaming agents. Antifoaming agents are used to reduce the foam on the liquid formulation. Antiperspirants. Antiperspirants are a drug or skin preparations used to inhibit perspiration or prevent excessive perspiration. Aromatic waters. Aromatic waters is also known as medicated waters. Aromatic waters are more or less saturated, clear or almost clear aqueous or alcoholic solutions. Bases. The drug is added or incorporated into the formulation either to increase the bulk or to give a particular shape to the dosage form. Bases are used for semi-solid and solid substances. Cachets. Cachets are the solid unit dosage forms in which the drug is enclosed in a tasteless sheet made by pouring mixture of rice flour and water between two hot polished resolving cylinders. Water is evaporated and sheet of wafer formed. Collodions. It is intended for external use only, applied to the skin with a fine hairbrush or glass applicator. Creaming. Creaming is the forming a concentration of globules at the top or bottom of the emulsion. Cracking. Cracking means the separation of two layers, that is dispersed phase and continuous phase, due to covalence of dispersed phase globules. Dentifrice. It is a substance used with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleaning the accessible surfaces of the teeth. Diffusible solids. Substances which do not dissolve in water, but on shaking they can be mixed with it and remain eventually distributed throughout the liquid for sufficiently long time, allowing uniform distribution of the drug in each dose. Deodorants. Deodorants are the personal care products. Deodorants that are applied topically most commonly on the underarms to minimize the odor caused by the bacterial breakdown of perspiration. Depilatories. Depilatories is a cosmetic preparations and it is used to remove hair from the skin. These compounds break the disulfide bonds in keratin and also hydrolyze the hair so that is easily removed. Dialysis. It is a process by which the substances are separated from one another due to their differencing diffusibility through membranes. Solution used in dialysis are known as dialysis solution. Dispersing agents. It is a substance, typically a surfactant, that is added to a suspension of solid or liquid particles in a liquid to improve the separation of the particles and to prevent their settling or clumping. Dirge. It is a medicated solution meant for rinsing a body cavities such as eyes, ear or nostril cavities for cleaning or removing the foreign particles or discharges from them either for medicinal treatment or for hygienic purpose. Draught. A quantity of liquid medicine ordered as a single dose. Dental cones. Dental cones have relatively minor compressed tablets. After tooth extractions, dental cones meant for placing them in empty sockets. Ear cones. Ear cones are meant for introduction into ear to remove earwax and finally improve hearing. Ear cones are used to treat conditions like sinus infections and cold. Effervescent granules. It is a solid dosage forms of medicament meant for internal use. Effervescent granules are the granular dosage forms having drug and effervescent base which is composed of sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and tartaric acid. Enema. Enema are the aqueous oily solutions or suspensions. It is intended into the rectum for their purgative, sedative, anti-inflammatory or nutritive effect. Eye lotion. Eye lotions are a sterile aqueous solution used as a cleanser for the eyes. Eye ointments. Eye ointments are the sterile semi-solid preparations meant for application to the eyes that must be free from particles and must be non-irritating to the eye. Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is a cosmetic cream or powder in one of the various colors that is applied to the eyelids to accent the eyes. Eutectic mixtures. Eutectic mixtures is defined as a mixture of two or more components which usually do not interact to form a new chemical compound, but which at certain ratios inhibits the crystallization process of one another, resulting in a system having a low melting point than either of the components. And remaining definitions we will discuss in next video. Don't forget to see and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos related to pharmacy.